What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back in the shop with Darlene. When I left you guys last time, we were doing a facelift on Darlene. Looks awesome. I went ahead and finished up with some LED lights. The ones I put in for my signal lights kind of made them blink really fast, so I got some load resistors for those that we're going to install today. So we're going to address a couple issues today. Stay tuned. Alright. Just kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. That's annoying. I'm going to slow that back down. Alright, so all I need is my screwdriver. It should be pretty easy. You know what? I should have got my glasses. Probably need to unplug this, right? Okay. So I just got these at O'Reilly's for about 20 bucks, I think. Probably less than that. And it is a 2-pack, one for each side. That boy there was trying to sell me 2 boxes. I had to correct him. Actually, he was trying to sell me 4 because he was trying to sell me some for the marker lights, and I was like, bro, those don't blink. Yeah. And the wrong bulbs. So I found my harness here. I'm going to get these wires out of here that lead down to my signal lights, and we'll get those resistors spliced in. Is that open enough, you think? Or
yeah, just now kind of pull the wires up out of it a little bit. There you go, just like that.
So these are actually pretty easy. You just need to find out what color your signal light wires are. So mine are red and white and black, and you just splice them in. I'm gonna put mine back here underneath the hood to keep my resistors out of the weather. Check it out, guys. That's what I came up with. I think it'll work. That's where I put the other one. Now I just got to put my reservoir back in. Over here. Something like that. And then put the battery back in. And got a couple more things to get to.
Action.
Woo.
What is that?
The air hose.
Itself right there.
Sure you'll
tighten?
No, I'm not untightening. I'm getting it.
You have any bolts started in the hose yet?
No.
What's your plan then?
Is this? I lost one, remember?
You didn't find it?
Nope. I never found it. find that other one. How tight? All the way tight?
Mm-hmm. Right, get right there.
Is that good? This tight. Okay. Right, guys, so that's what it looks like after I've got it all in there, my reservoir and my battery. I think that'll work. I think it's far enough away from everything. On the box it says that those load resistors, the surface of them kind of heats up. But I think that's far enough away from everything, especially on this side. Should be just fine. That's a lot better. Oh my god, do you guys hear all those bugs? It's about time, huh?
About time. Yep.
Wait, maybe I could.
Can you get it out of there? she's trying to YouTube over here. There we go. All right.
Are we filming this one?
We are. Yes, sir. She's got a little truck project she's working on for YouTube.
I got it.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
I throw it in here, I throw it in, put it in one of these polish machines for 30 minutes, and it takes it from that primer gray to this.
Okay.
Or if I go with a color, I take it back and we do a
So another
more
step.
man hours.
Gotcha.
If we do a prep on it again, and then I spray the color on it, it goes back into the oven to cycle through again. That's why your color's a little more expensive.
God, that makes sense. Yeah.
But that's
These are nice. Look at that. Cool.
we do have several colors, but that's what's in the colors are more.
Okay. Well, what do you think, Kayla? You want to just stick with the ceramic, the shiny?
I like that one.
Okay.
You see, that's why I had to go get mine.
That's the first thing I got to do too. Shoot, yeah.
All right, and what it'd be, as soon as we get them ready, the guys will bring it, like you see in here. We've only got a couple of them in here now, but
Okay.
they'll bring them up, and I'll give you a call, just whenever's convenient to swing by. Somebody
Sounds
pick it
good,
up.
man. Appreciate you.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good one.
Thank
Shake the
you.
man's hands.
Yep.
There we go. Thank you. Well, all right. So a couple weeks, you're gonna have a nice shiny header, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Yeah, throw that back there, be all right.
All right, we're out here at Jet Hot High Performance Coatings, and they are hooking me up with my ceramic coated header, you guys. Let's go check it out. All right, there it is, you guys. It looks so good. I'm so ready to get that thrown on there. That is gonna be awesome.
It does look good, doesn't it?
Yes, I'm excited.
That is gonna look really good down in that engine bay, that's for sure.
All right, guys. So unfortunately, it looks like that header does not fit either. So same thing with the last one. The last time they sent us one, it was for a 4x4. Yeah, it won't go up.
What you hitting on?
Where's it need to go?
Straight up. What's she hitting on? Something hitting on up there, over there? Tell us what's going on.
Alright, if y'all can see right here, it's hitting on the shifter linkages. All this like right here. Just bumping it all right through there.
Oh, nice. What the hell? Wrong header or what?
Yeah, no.
It said, what did it say, Caleb? Between 90 and 95? Something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I don't know if it was for a manual or if they just sent you the wrong one, but it was definitely hitting on all of this shifter linkage. I don't see any way for that to go onto you.
I got it on one bolt.
I know, that's all I could get to it. It just won't go up high enough. It's almost like this isn't long enough. What? Alright, pull it back out of there.
And as far as I know, they don't even make one for an automatic. If you guys you know, find one or you know something different, feel free to correct me. But I mean, everything that I've looked into, I cannot find one that fits an automatic. So it looks like we're going to be kind of modifying this one. I'm good at practice welding. So either like kind of cutting it up to get it to fit. We'll send it back to get coated again, or we're gonna maybe do a shipped linkage. So I don't know. You guys stay tuned. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for following along, and I appreciate you guys. See you on the next one.